Namaste all. My name is Vikas Gurnani and I live in Gurgaon. This is the review for the Success Blueprint program, bundle program, which I have attended from Second Sight Foundation. Uh, in this course, we have gone through NLP, we have gone through self hypnosis, we have attended past life regression, like Reiki level one, like Reiki level two, money manifestation. Uh, you know, angel therapy, third eye. This has so much in it. You will, while recalling it, you may forget something. But what I want to tell you about this course is, as the name says, Success Blueprint. This is the success blueprint for your life. NLP actually helps you understanding the right way of thinking. Through NLP, you can change some of the past conditioning of your life. You can remove some of the bad memories which are still hunting you, impacting your performance, impacting your today's life. You can remove phobia from your life. You can channelize your energy in the right direction. So NLP, after NLP, this had self hypnosis, wherein the other way of repairing yourself, repairing your past, repairing your belief system. uh, and then Reiki level 1, like Reiki level 2 were also so powerful. It was like you feel like you're a superman with those magical powers which you have attained after going through this course. But I suggest that don't get attached to the experiences, but continue to move forward, because those experiences are very small experiences, through which you can read things blindfoldedly, or you can understand things without somebody saying, by looking at his face. Those are things which are very small in life right now. uh, but it has much bigger impact, because ultimately, after attending this course, what it makes you it makes you realize is that you are the creator. That is what this course has done with me after 11-12 days. uh, Today I know that my success depends on me. I am not a beggar. I'm not asking anyone anything. It is the god is in the god is within me. I don't need to depend on anybody else for anything. I need to channelize my energy. I have the Shiva in me. I am the creator, and my success depends on my thought process, my belief system, and I believe I'm successful already. So this is what this course has given me. uh, in short, if you can, I have said this in just 2-3 lines, but honestly speaking, if we can understand the real meaning of these 2-3 lines, you would know what big impact this can make in your life. I've seen a lot of courses people teach in terms of spirituality and success, etc., manifestation, law of attraction. This is not a normal course. If you think the kind of energy exchange or the money which you're paying for this course, trust me, you're not even paying anything comparative to what you're going to get in return after this course. It has, if I have to see real value of this course probably is of 30, 40, or maybe 50,000 rupees worth of content in it. Forget the real value. Real value is much more. I'll tell you why. Because when this course was given to us, we were being told that this course is for 2 hours every day. You have to select a batch, so in a very professional manner. Yeah, like any professional course comes to you, you have time slots, you have a set agenda dis- decided. But those kind of things in spirituality, in the energy programs, and when you want to connect with the universal energy, when you want to raise your energy levels, everybody's at a different level, right? So for that, you can't really depend on a professional program. Everybody's needs need to be taken at a different level, and this is what this course really worked on. The class was for 2 hours. We would spend every day at least 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Many times the classes were repeated again and again, just to make sure that the content is delivered in the right way for everybody, so that everybody come up to a level where our organizers of this course wanted us to be. uh, they not just once, they swap trainers sometimes, just to make sure that it is a fit for everybody. This is what I liked about it. And normally when you pay something, you attend a course and then you go home, you forget something. But here you will realize, once you attend this course, you are not joining a course, you're joining a family, and family never leaves you unless you really decide that you do not want to be part of this family. So everybody here is so dedicated, all the organizers, trainers, uh, as the course says, success blueprint. They want to make you successful. They want to, as one of the course was manifestation, law of attraction, money manifestation. So here, all those things, they want you to be successful, and they want you to manifest. They tell you the ways to manifest things. They tell you the things which nobody would talk about on Google, YouTube. There are some practical ways. If you implement, you will see the results immediately. We have done live sessions. It is not just a theoretical course. Most of this course was practical, where we would do things practically. We would see things happening, changing in our life. We are manifesting things. It can be a small thing which we manifested, but it brings the confidence that yes, this is possible, right? So all of that has really changed my perception of looking at things, and I am happy to be part of this family, sir. So more than that, more than, so ऐसा होता है सर कि कभी कभी आप बोलते हैं कि आपने ये कोर्स किया, आपने वो कोर्स किया, बट जैसे, सो मेरे लिए उन कोर्सेज से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट, सर, मेरे कृष्णा है, जो कि सर आप हैं। सो जैसे कृष्ण को मांगा था अर्जुन ने, तो मैं आपको मांग रहा हूँ सर। ये कोर्स, ये नॉलेज, ये तो सब आ जाएगी सर अपने आप, अगर आप साथ में होंगे। एंड आई एम रियली 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 थैंकफुल फॉर ऑल द ट्रेनर्स फॉर इम्पार्टिंग देयर नॉलेज एंड एक्सेप्टिंग मी एज पार्ट ऑफ देयर फैमिली। आई एम, I don't know, I have really, really kind feeling, and I'm so happy that I have found a group which is dedicated to make others successful. People generally come to take money and then they go away. But here, everybody is so kind hearted and so dedicated in other success, that I don't know, maybe my time has come now that I have got in touch with you. But thank you, sir, and don't leave me ever. Thank you so much, sir. And guys, my number is 9711 986 970. In case anybody has any questions, do give me a call and I would be able to clear all your doubts. Thank you so much.